Welcome back to Algebra II, Chapter 11, Section 3 in this book. And we are talking about geometric sequences and series. Last time we talked about arithmetic ones, and I told you there was another kind. Dead-on! There it is! Geometric sequences and series. They have a common ratio. What do I mean by that? Last time we subtracted to see if the carets were all the same. We would do like 2 minus 1 is 2, 6 minus 2 is 4, 24 minus 6, etc. And if they were all the same, then it was an arithmetic series. This time, what we're going to do is divide. Let me get my red one. So I imagine this swinging down under this and saying 1 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 120 divided by 24 is 5. It makes a pattern, but are they the same? No. So this is not a geometric sequence or series. Okay, how about this one? 27 divided by 81 is a third. 9 divided by 27 is a third. 3 divided by 9 is a third, and 1 divided by 3 is, you guessed it, a third, so the answer is yes. So the first question you always have on these tests is it geometric, arithmetic, or neither? So this one would be neither, that one would be geometric, and those ones we learned last time were arithmetic. Okay, the next one is just like how we had a formula last time, we have a formula for this. The answer for a number is the first number times the ratio taken to the power of the term you're doing minus 1. So we're going to write our rule for this series. -8, -12, -18, -27. So the first thing we have to do is do our dividing, and we see that they're geometric and the ratio is 2/3. This is your first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So what we need to do is go to our thing, and we can put the first term in our formula right there for a sub 1. We put our ratio right there, 2/3, and then we have whichever number it is minus 1, and that's our rule. Now, what about if n equals 8? We would put this in and get the answer. Okay, so that's the next level of problems that there'd be a few of. And then you might have one like this one. The rest of what the book has, you're not going to have on your test from me. You will maybe from somebody else, or maybe when you get to pre-calculus or calculus. But not from me. This is as far as we have time to go, because we got to, at some point we have to end Algebra 2. I know, it's going to make you cry, but be strong. Okay, so this time we know that a sub 3 is 5. So the third one in the list is 5. And we know that the ratio is 2. And we know that it's geometric. So we write down our formula. Whoop! More fun with sound effects. And then what do? We sing! Substitute! So for our third one, we're going to put 5. Our first one, we don't know what that is, so we're going to solve for that. Our ratio is 2, and then our number here, 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 squared is 4. Why is a sub 1 not alone? It's being multiplied by 4, divide both sides by 4. So the first term, I keep dotting it, the first term is 5/4. Now we can put it back into our formula and write the formula. A for any number is 5/4 times 2 to n minus 1. And then a lot of times they say, well, what about if it's 5? What would it be? What would the fifth term be? And you can figure it out. All right, that's all I want you to know about this. This test will be a lot of doing summations on your calculator, so make sure that is what you're really good at. That's the main focus here. And come back though and we'll learn more about Algebra 2. Math is great.